Are you struggling with stress? If you're feeling overwhelmed, listen closely. Here are 30 powerful tips to reduce stress, for a healthier mind and a peaceful life. 1. Get 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep every night. Quality sleep helps recharge your mind. 2. Start your day with deep breathing and a few minutes of meditation. 3. Exercise regularly. Walking, jogging, or light yoga can relieve stress. 4. Eat healthy, balanced meals. Avoid excess sugar and caffeine. 5. Spend quality time with your loved ones. Open conversations ease emotional burdens. 6. Do what you love, read a book, listen to music, or enjoy a hobby daily. 7. Take regular breaks from social media to refresh your mind. 8. Learn to say no when you're overwhelmed. Respect your boundaries. 9. Take short breaks during work to prevent burnout. 10. Practice mindfulness or guided breathing exercises for 10 to 15 minutes daily. 11. Reflect on your achievements and be grateful for what you have. 12. Don't hesitate to seek help from a therapist or counselor. 13. Embrace small joyful moments, a warm cup of tea, a sunset, or a peaceful walk. 14. Be patient and nurture a positive mindset. 15. Learn to forgive yourself and let go of your past mistakes. Bonus tips for a stress-free life. 16. Spend time in nature, especially during sunrise. It calms the mind naturally. 17. Smile and laugh every day, even if there's no reason. Laughter is healing. 18. Read self-help or personal growth books to strengthen your inner self. 19. Write down your worries in a journal. It helps release mental stress. 20. Take me time regularly. No work, just rest and recharge. 21. Celebrate your small wins and personal milestones. 22. Stop comparing yourself, your journey is one of a kind. 23. Talk to a friend when you're feeling low. Human connection is powerful. 24. Sleep early and start fresh. Avoid screens at night. 25. Recognize and challenge negative thoughts. Self-awareness is key. 26. Engage in creative activities that bring peace, painting, writing, or gardening. 27. Be kind to others, and more importantly, be kind to yourself. 28. Listen to calming music or nature sounds when you feel stressed. 29. Treat your mental health as a priority, it truly matters. 30. Remember, you are not alone. Everyone is fighting battles you can't see. Be gentle with yourself.